Hi, my name is Bridie. I wear hearing aids because I lost my hearing when I was 3 years old to Connection 26. My life without sound would be difficult because I wouldn't be able to play my instruments in tune. I play the violin and the upright double bass. I'm really grateful that Olive Osmond Hearing Fund gave me my hearing aids because they're really clear and they're Bluetooth that I use every single day, and I'm always excited to put them in.
Hi, I'm Carl Meyfohrt. In 2014, I received my first pair of hearing aids from the Olive Osmond Hearing Fund. Shortly after, I began raising money to help other kids receive hearing aids. Now, 8 years later, I continue to help give the gift of hearing to those who cannot afford hearing aids. A pair of hearing aids can cost up to $8,000. Many people don't know that insurance companies don't cover the cost of hearing aids. Together with my family, we have raised thousands of dollars and have given over 450 children hearing aids. Join us at our Sounds of the Night Gala on July 14th to benefit the Olive Osmond Hearing Fund New York chapter. Your help won't go unheard.
Music to your ears.